Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. And today I'm going to create two very cute, simple and easy DIYs for the Valentine's Day decor. These are very easy, very budget friendly using items in your home. This video is also part of the challenge being hosted by Crafty Kitty, Vie Dawn and Thelma Hall. I'll put links to all the three channels in my description box below and also link to the playlist that they have created. What I loved most about the rules of this challenge is to shop your home. You're not supposed to spend on anything, use whatever you have at home and make your DIY. As DIYers, we all have hoards and stash of stuff to do with, and there are things that we don't use or we use so little that they keep accumulating, and so I'm going to use some of the stuff from my home and create my DIYs. I love to pick up ordinary things that just are lying around the house, or just very ordinary things, something that can be a trash to somebody and turn it into something very pretty, beautiful and useful for the home. So if you love such content, if you love DIY, decor, home recipes, style, everything within a budget, do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's first DIY is a beautiful wall art or wall decor for the coming Valentine's Day, and I'm going to use my picture frame that I created recently, the one that you see at the back. Now this picture frame is an anthropology hack or anthropology dupe. If you have missed this video, I'll put a link to it in the card above. Do watch it. I just have a plain paper in the center now, but I'm going to deck it up right away. Now for my project, I took a sheet out of an old book. I like the yellowed sheet with the black text on it. I'm going to use this. I've cut it to the shape of my 8 by 10 picture frame, so the same size. Then I took some colored paper. Now because my frame is in sea green and gold, or green and patina green and gold, so I picked this chart paper and I've cut these heart shapes. Basically I sketched in heart shape and cut it out with a pair of sharp scissors. Now all my Valentine DIYs are in a separate playlist called the Valentine's DIY. So if you're interested in more Valentine's DIYs, all within budget, do check out my playlist. I'll put the link to my playlist in my description box, and always you can check out my playlist for DIYs, decor and Valentine's in my channel. So here I have more of these sea green or blue colored hearts. Now there are 15 of these hearts, and I have cut slightly bigger golden heart and one in a shaded pink and purple heart. Now in this paper, on this paper, with a scale and a pencil, I marked out 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines, and again 4. So I've marked out points where I can divide this paper into 4 rows and 4 columns so that the hearts can sit neatly organized on them. So I'm going to start first with the golden heart and the pink one. That's the star of this whole project. So I'm going to take some glue stick and glue the golden heart first, just to get an idea of the positioning. So I glued my golden heart here. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue all the sea green or the light blue hearts. Now I'm not going to glue them flat. I'm going to fold them like this, open them, and I'm just going to apply some glue in the midline. so that this stand up, a little 3D effect is there. Now this much is done. Now this golden heart lies absolutely flat, and this pink purple heart, I folded it and I'm going to attach it. So this heart especially stands out really nice, and I'm going to keep it more a 3D. Now I'll place it inside my picture frame. I think this turned out really pretty. I love the hearts and one special heart in the center, the 3D effect and the reflection of the pink heart and the gold, and this little gold shimmering through is nice. This is a sweet little project and I think you will love making them. My second DIY is a Matchbox DIY or a Matchbox craft. Even as a small child, I enjoyed using matchboxes in doing little crafts like making dollhouse sofa, dollhouse dresser, or almirah, drawers. They are cute little boxes. And today I'm going to relive that enjoyment, that fun, that pleasure I used to get by doing matchbox crafts, and I'm going to make a small suitcase with a matchbox. Now because it's a matchbox, it's a drawer in itself, one can keep little trinkets or buttons or needles or pins, any small items inside it, and they look so cute. So just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and if you love what you watched today, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all for stopping by, giving your time. I would love to read your comments, and if you love the content of my channel and are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.